Hi everyone. My name is John, I am from Watch Before Buy After, and today we are going to review the product Sonus Complete, which promises to end chronic ringing in your ears in just 3 weeks. Sonus Complete is a supplement that contains 97% of the available natural extracts of green tea, vitamin C and B, herbs, fruits and leaves, as well as juniper and Ursi grape. And the combination of these substances helps rejuvenate the brain, improving your thinking. The treatment is quite simple and consists of taking 2 capsules daily for at least 30 days. Since I do not have a tinnitus problem, I bought this product for my mother-in-law, who tested the supplement during the indicated period. She is a teacher, and for years she had this annoying noise in her brain, which made it difficult for her to do her job. This noise caused her headaches frequently, affected her mood and way of thinking, and made her feel insomnia. And in this attempt to free her from this suffering, I decided to buy Sonus Complete to test it. And to my surprise, after 5 days of treatment, my mother-in-law could feel an accentuated improvement, with a clear reduction in her tinnitus, including an improvement in her memory. It was only a test to evaluate the product, but she was so happy with the results that she became a customer. After 30 days she was free of the tinnitus that had been bothering her for years. It was very nice to see my mother-in-law happy. It feels like a burden has been lifted from her shoulders. And based on my mother-in-law's experience, I can say that yes, you can trust this product. She had looked for many things and had never found a practical solution like this. I don't know if there are other products like it, but I can say that Sonus Complete was the only alternative that cured my mother-in-law. The purchase was very easy, especially because they offer a 60-day guarantee, and in that time you can ask for your money back. And before I forget, I need to tell you something important. I could only buy Sonus Complete on the official site. So you don't make a mistake, I left the official site link down here, in the video description. In this link you can see the testimonies of other people who used the product and had great results. My mother-in-law had a great experience with Sonus Complete, and if you have that disturbing tinnitus, I am sure that this product will help you. See you next time.